Hey there, busy homeowners. Looking for a vacuum that's powerful, lightweight, and cordless? I'm Thomas from Expert Pick, and today we're highlighting the Dyson V10 Cordless Stick Vacuum Cleaner, the best cordless vacuum for 2024. Why do we love the Dyson V10? Check out these three unique features. Powerful suction. With its digital motor, the Dyson V10 delivers incredible suction power, perfect for deep cleaning carpets and hard floors. Up to 60 minutes of runtime. Clean your entire home without stopping to recharge. The battery life on this vacuum is unbeatable. Lightweight and versatile. Whether it's floors, ceilings, or tight corners, the Dyson V10 is super easy to handle and converts into a handheld for quick cleanups. Frustrated with vacuums that lose power fast? Tired of lugging around heavy, bulky cleaners? The Dyson V10 solves all those issues with ease. Ready to upgrade your cleaning routine? Avail 10% off now by clicking the link in the description below. A cleaner home is just a click away.